Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. नमस्ते. आप लोगों के प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में आज मैंने खास करके सेल्स मार्केटिंग एंड मार्केटिंग से संबंधित रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट के प्रोफेशनल से इंटरैक्ट होने की कोशिश की है. दिस सेशन इज ओपन फॉर द जनरल पब्लिक आल्सो एंड आई कैन सी द क्राउड ऑफ द participant and the interest of the people to hear me. It happens. can I cannot only say that this is for the sales and marketing, but especially made for, especially designed for the sales and marketing. Because what happens that target is in the life of each one of us, irrespective to domain and stream we run into. What happens? The target point is today that sales target, you win it, or otherwise target will run over you. One is the story of the win, other is the story of the failureness and lose and loss. Sales people, marketing people, they are always under pressure because they are the revenue generating team. Being as a revenue generating team member, they are always on the hot pot. The managing director or chairman's eyes are always on them. This is the product, you have to sell it out in the open market. And this is the target on per day basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. Will be monitored monthly. So, you take the scientific and rational target and plan it properly. If you plan it properly, very first thing that how to cover the geographical dimension. पूर्व में जाना है, पश्चिम में जाना है, किधर जाना है, किस सिटी को जाना है. प्लान इट आउट. वेयर द sellability of this product is more in the market, try to dominate the market. Don't move without knowing the market sentiments and availability of the market of such product which is in your hand to sell. So plan it out. Make the research and development of the market sensitivity, customer behavior, and very important that your relation you have developed with the customer. You, in other my video I have shared that according to me, sell is not keeping the tokery on the head and like vegetable vendor keep on saying in the street, bhaji le lo, bhaji le lo, bhaji le lo. No, this process must be eliminated. Most of the sales people are going down because they are having the vegetable vendors sentiments in their mind. Vegetable is something different than your product. You are roaming in the market where these products are not sellable. These products are not considered. vendors are not available over there, customers are not available over there, and you are क्या कर रहे हैं आप? हमें प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे हैं. अरे वो प्रोडक्ट वहाँ बिकता ही नहीं तो आप वहाँ क्या करने गए? रिफाइनरी का प्रोडक्ट आप लेके बेच रहे हैं. कहाँ बेच रहे हैं आप? जहाँ रिफाइनरी की ऑफिस हो वहाँ पे आप कांटेक्ट करेंगे ना, कि जहाँ पे कोई एंगल टैंगल रॉड सिंगर्स बन रहे हैं उनकी ऑफिस में जाके आप जो है समय पास कर रहे हैं, टाइम पास कर रहे हैं, नॉट हैविंग द नॉलेज ऑफ द मार्केट. सो यू having all this knowledge assembled with you, you move, you take the speed after setting the direction where more customer are there, more customer where your relations with the more customers are intact, are good, are sweet. Sales never happen based upon the sales style. Sales style is only one style which I have in my mind, is that you should have the good relation with the client. Explore the client network and then slowly and steadily start putting your impact, behavioral impact. Win them such a way that when there is any need comes in the night in the mind of those customers, they should call you. Mr. Ajit, please come in the office tomorrow 10:30. You be there 10 o'clock. He will, because of your nature, because of your quality guarantee, because of your product branded product, he will say that supply me this much material. So where you have put your thousands of steps to approach him, you have not wasted your time. You have developed only relation. So in sales and marketing, and to win the situation, important thing is develop the relationship, win the confidence of your customer, and be the priority of the customer. You will win not only the target, not only the rational target, excessive target you will also win. And if you cannot do so, you have a different style to sell or market the product, you may fail. Your relation with client is negligible. Product knowledge is not as strong as really needed to sell it out. So what will happen? Then target will drive you. Meaning of this is that what you are doing, what far you have moved out from your office, its impact will be adverse on you. Either you are with the rational target, or you are with the scientific target, or you are with the excessive target, whatever target, but target will drive you, means you will always be failed. So where you will win the target, सफलता महसूस करेंगे, वहीं पर आप विफलता के शिकारी बन जाएंगे. आप अपना नेटवर्क क्रिएट करें. अपनी फर्स्ट यू सेल योर सेल्फ, देन यू सेल द प्रोडक्ट. डोंट सेल द प्रोडक्ट. If you are trying to sell the product, it's the biggest mistake you are committing. You establish your brand image, trustworthiness, and knowledge to people that yes, Dr. Srivastava is doing these sales activities, these product he is marketing, and thus you dominate the need of the customers. Very important thing. Whatever need is there, I said na, night 12 o'clock, if he is dreaming, then he is dreaming about Dr. Srivastava. He is not dreaming XYZ. He is not turning the yellow pages. He is not turning the Google. He is not turning the any kind of the sources to search the vendor of these products. No. He is readily available. You are readily available over there, and he, any time and every time, he says that Dr. Srivastava is the right person. I will purchase from him. I will purchase steel from Kalyani. Old story I am talking to you. I will purchase steel from Tata. Why? From here to Tata, thousands of mills are there who are manufacturing the steel, rod, ingots. You don't want to purchase? Why you don't want to purchase? What makes the difference? Difference is that is the branded. Tata has won the confidence of the people from decades and decades. Tata is reasonable in the price. Either you negotiate or don't negotiate. Tata is the trusted brand. So with this example, I am trying to share that sell without selling it, win the confidence of the customer, know the customer, you will win the target. Otherwise, target will win you and आप विफलता के शिकारी बन जाएंगे. May God bless you. May God give you the way you achieve always. Target is my well wish. Thank you very much.